Welcome back to Shezit on Wheels. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus, a motorcycle that continues to rule the commuter segment with trust, efficiency, and simplicity. Let's see what's new and why it still matters in 2026. Timeless design with subtle updates. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus keeps its iconic silhouette intact, but with subtle modern touches. Refreshed graphics, new color options, and improved fit and finish give it a slightly premium feel while maintaining the classic Splendor identity that riders love. Reliable engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Splendor Plus is the proven 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, refined to meet the latest emission standards. The engine delivers smooth performance, low vibrations, and excellent throttle response, making it perfect for daily city rides and short highway runs. Outstanding fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains the biggest strength of the Hero Splendor Plus. Thanks to Hero's advanced fuel-saving technology, the 2026 model offers impressive mileage, making it one of the most economical motorcycles for daily commuters and budget-conscious riders. Comfort and ride quality. The upright riding posture, long seat, and well-tuned suspension ensure a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Whether it's daily office travel or long hours on the road, the Splendor Plus is designed to reduce fatigue and improve ride comfort. Safety and features. The 2026 model comes equipped with essential safety features like an integrated braking system, improved tires, and better visibility lighting. Practical features such as a clear instrument cluster and durable build quality enhance everyday usability. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus proves that reliability never goes out of style. With trusted performance, unbeatable mileage, and low maintenance costs, it remains